friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Well, in today's video I'm going to tell you how we can use our old photo frame to make it a new one or give a new look to the photo frames that can be used to decorate our homes. In this video I will be showing you 3 photo frames. So let's get into the video. Is the second look of the same photo frame, so you can go with the first look which has yellow with the black highlight, or this one black with the golden highlight.